Class 4 Subject GK. The popular names. Given below are the pictures and popular names by which these real people were famous. Can you write their real names? Take help from the help desk. The little Cornopal. Napoleon Bonaparte. Farid, Adolf Hitler, the Bird of Avon, William Shakespeare, the Wizard of Menlo Park, Thomas Alva Edison, the Virgin Queen, Queen Elizabeth I, Princess of Wales, Lady Diana, Iron Chancellor, Prince Bismarck.